Okay, so we're looking at blue belt 1 self-defense, which is a back grab. So if I am turned this direction and my bad guy grabs me on the back of my shirt, I don't know which hand he's grabbing. So I need 2 self-defense options. I need to be able to go this way and go that way. Now let's say I go this way towards his backside. The first thing I want to do as I'm swinging is swing with momentum, get my arm over the top and loop his arm so I'm holding that arm really, really tight. The bad guy should not be able to pull his arm out from this point, okay? So I've really got a good hold of it. I'm going to carry that momentum in, step forward with my left, get my forearm across his shoulder. I'm a little too close to do the arm lock on the elbow, so I want to bring it across his shoulder, and then from there I want to drop my body weight down, and as always you want to finish, hop, rear knee strike towards the body. So watching again, swing, loop, down, hop, nice strong knee strike. We're going to go towards the stomach side now. We hook it over nice and tight. We're going to carry that momentum through, get our rear leg up, and swing it all the way to the mat. From here, you should still have hold of the arm, nice tight grip, knee riding with our rear leg, striking from there, okay? Just want to show you one thing from here. Should I be there, please? So from here, once we get to this position, as I'm sweeping, I don't want to plant my foot. I want to get this leg in the air, and this foot does not touch the floor the whole journey of the sweep, and then I can go down with my partner to this position.